Hi, I'm Paul, and I'm a director here at Tea Traders. Welcome to our business. We set up Tea Traders because we wanted to have a career change. We'd spent 20 years doing our previous career working with young people with additional needs, but prior to that our backgrounds had been in catering and hospitality, and we decided to relocate and take the opportunity to start our own business back here in South Wales. Our customers support us because they know that we're supporting other businesses from the area. Our customers suggest to us businesses that we could try, and we have a local market here in Carmarthen, and we buy our fruit and vegetables from the market. We support local businesses wherever we can. We use local wholesalers, and they support local companies, and then we buy through the wholesaler to source those products as well in an efficient, effective way. But it's really important also to support and sell products that have a sense of Wales. The obvious things being Welsh cakes and Barra Brief, but more than that, our gift products and our cakes that we make in the shop. The things that we try and do to give people, especially visitors to the town, a good sense that they've come away for a break, but they're not getting the same things they can get from a supermarket at home, you know? That there's a real local identity to visiting us in the shop. So prior to opening the business, we worked in education, and we worked in a college in North Wales where we supported young people with learning disabilities and additional support needs. So when we decided to open the business here, it was really important that we brought all of that experience with us and made opportunities in the business for young people to join us here and work with us. And we have 5 young people who come to work in the business for us through the week. We've got a young man joining us later on today called Ellis, who comes every Tuesday, and we have another person each day through the week. In addition to that, we found local companies that we support, selling some of our gift products, and they also are companies that provide opportunity for training and employment for young people with additional needs in the local area. We took part in Carmarthen Tourism Awards recently. We were nominated by customers for that. And that's absolutely fantastic because it shows that they're appreciating what we're doing and really behind us and supporting and championing us. And we get active and involved in anything we can to highlight our business to the local community.